Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant on navigation button on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel annoyed because every time you press the menu button on the navigation button, there will be a Google Assistant that pop out from it. Don't need to be worried guys because you can turn it off easily. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first I will show you. If you guys long press on the menu button like this, there will be a Google Assistant that pop out like this. To turn it off, now go to settings menu, scroll down, and then now you can go to about home screen, and then now you can click on system navigation and go to button shortcut. And then after that, now you can click long press the menu and then click none. Alright, as you can see, after that you can long press and there will be no Google Assistant anymore. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.